Hi everyone, welcome back to finding the vertex of quadratic function. Now, another way to find a quadratic function is by doing the vertex form of the function. So the vertex form of the function will lead you to f of x be equal to a times x minus the square root of x minus h plus k. Therefore, where vertex is h comma k. So, how do we do that? Given now a function f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 12x plus 23. So, let's have that. So, having now, let me just copy that. F of x be equal to 2x squared minus 12x plus 23. Now, you need to group first the first two terms with the coefficient of a and b. So, having that, so we have now f of x be equal to, let me have the screen for you. So, let's group that. So, we have now 2x squared minus 12x plus 23. So, when there is already group, you get now, you factor out a. So, a value is 2. So, when you factor out a to the binomial that was being grouped, so we have that 2. So, 2x squared divided by 2, that will be x squared minus 6x plus 23. Now, we need to achieve something here. We need to get the perfect square trinomial of this one. Remember, in a sense that it is now x squared minus 2x plus 1. The pattern is there. So, what you need to do is that you need to divide this by 2 and then square. So, dividing that, so divide negative 6x divided by 2, that will be negative 3, then square, that will be 9. So, you need to add that inside. F of x be equal to 2 times x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 23. However, when you add on one side, you need to add on the other side. However, on the other side is y, so we need to subtract it here on this side. However, there is a multiplier of 2, so 2 times 9, you need to subtract now 18 because you add 9 here, but the real value of that is 18. Then you subtract it here. Now, next, we'll have now f of x be equal to, you get it, because that is a perfect square trinomial, you can have now the square of a binomial. So, that will be x minus 3, or square of x minus 3. 23 minus 5, that would be 5. Now, having now on the pattern, remember that f of x is equal to, this is the vertex form. Now, we're working that out, so we can now identify now our vertex. However, you check now our x minus 3. X minus 3 equated to 0, so adding to both hand sides, so x would be equal to 3. Now, we're working on the vertex, so you have now your vertex as 3 comma h comma k will be equal to, vertex be equal to 3 comma 5. So this is your 3 and this is your 5. Okay, so that's how you get your vertex using now the vertex form of the function.